Welcome to this algebra tutorial. Today, we are going to learn how to find the slope of a line directly from a graph using the counting method, also known as rise over run. First, what exactly is slope? In math, slope is simply a measure of how steep a line is. Just like a hill can be steep or gentle, a line on a graph has a steepness too. It tells us how fast the line goes up or down as we move across the graph. To calculate slope, we use a simple ratio. Slope, often represented by the letter m, is equal to the rise divided by the run. The rise is the vertical change, meaning how much the line goes up or down. The run is the horizontal change, meaning how far the line goes from left to right. The first step is to pick two good points on the line. You want to look for places where the blue line crosses the grid intersections exactly. These points will have whole number coordinates, making them easy to count. Avoid picking points that are floating in the middle of a square. Once you have your 2 points, start at the point on the left. We need to travel to the point on the right. First, count the vertical steps. This is your rise. If you have to go up, the rise is positive. If you have to go down, the rise is negative. In this example, we go up 4 squares, so the rise is positive 4. Next, from that same spot, count the horizontal steps to reach your second point. This is your run. We always count towards the right. Moving to the right is always positive. In this example, we move 4 squares to the right, so our run is positive 4. Let's look at a specific example. Here is a line going up. I pick a point at the bottom left and another at the top right. Starting from the left, I count up 2 squares, so my rise is positive 2. Then, I count right 3 squares, so my run is positive 3. The slope is the rise divided by the run, which gives us the fraction 2 over 3. Now let's try a line that goes down. Starting from the left point, to get to the level of the right point, I have to go down 3 squares. Since I went down, my rise is negative 3. Then I count right 2 squares. My slope is negative 3 divided by 2, or negative 3 halves. There are 2 special cases to remember. For a horizontal line, the rise is 0 because it doesn't go up or down. 0 divided by anything is 0, so the slope is 0. For a vertical line, the run is 0 because it doesn't move left or right. You cannot divide by 0, so the slope of a vertical line is undefined. To summarize, remember that slope equals rise over run. Always pick 2 clear points on the grid intersections. Count your rise first. Up is positive, down is negative. Then count your run to the right. Write it as a fraction and simplify if possible. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.